You see, even when you're on vacation, the household do-it-yourself chores continue. Several months ago, we had to replace the large screen projection television set that was built into this cabinet space with this newly updated flat screen. But this left unsightly floor and trim missing. So Master Carpenter, RJ, with his assistant, Patty, will replace the wood today. Alright, we got a precise measurement here. Looks like about 52 1/4. After careful calculation, we have a piece of trim all mitered, a couple pieces here. Does that look good, Vanna?
No.
Measure twice, cut once. That's the rule of the good carpenter. How many bad cuts have I made today? One. You're so good.
I'm gonna kill Chris.
T-square in hand. We're marked properly. With our miter cuts made, we now will rip the board about 1.5 inches. Patty, what are we taking off?
About that.
1.5 inches, 2 inches.
Hey, Norm.
After every cutting job, there's always the cleanup.
How many?
One bad cut, right?
Not so
The
much.
newly mitered piece of trim, freshly ripped and mitered, snugs into the space perfectly. Ah, perfection. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Look at that.
Who needs a master carpenter when you've got Pate? Before installing finishing nails, drill a pilot hole with a small bit.
Because I broke my bit when it landed on the ceramic tile.
Be careful not to rupture the plumbing just behind the trim. Now we'll put the side pieces of trim on. I'm sure you are. It's going into air, baby.
Is it?
I like a woman with her drill.
God. Quit it. And my buildings are put together with caulk. Kidding me? What are you doing?
Prepare the surface properly before caulking. What was that? Putting a finished trim to the caulking with a moist towel gives a clean, sleek look. A little touch-up paint, and we're ready for the big screen. Removing the scuff marks from the previous television set saves the paint job with Patty's magic sponge.
We've never painted this thing.
After waiting nearly half a day for the caulking to dry, we are now ready to apply a finished coat of paint. Job done.